Start this demo by creating a new project. I'm going to call it My API. We're going to use shell mode to give the LLM full access to a shell, and let's choose Claude 3.5 Sonnet as our LLM adapter and let it create the project for us. Excellent. Now our development environment is loaded. You see this chat on the left and our code view on the right, and I'm going to say create a Rust app with actix-web for a JSON API. Kick it off. So you can see it start to kick off the shell commands using cargo to create the new app, and then it's going to look for some dependencies. So Serde for JSON is going in, and it's going to carry on and build a simple main file, and we'll see how we get to. Obviously, it's going to take a second to correct itself as it goes, but as you can see, it makes a great job of finding its way around. And then we'll wait for the build process to run, because obviously cargo build obviously takes a while. Nice, so it's built it and it's running the process. And so if this completes successfully, which it has, let's just take a moment to see what we have got here. So the first thing is you can see the code it's generated. So this is our code view. You can see all of this code has just been written by the LLM. Simple file there to just, we've got an echo endpoint and a hello world endpoint. And then this is also created in your linked repo. So you can see that same code is there, and we've got a nice LLM generated commit message to show us what's going on. So all the time you're using this, it's committing to your repo. You have full access to the code. It is yours. And then the other interesting thing is, as you can see, it has run this process for us locally. So we can just hit that. You can see that the app is up and running. Nice. Let's take this a little bit further. I'd like to add a SQLite database. Give it a pretty brief instruction and see what it does to help us out. Excellent. So we're up and running. We've got more code added for this. Let us try and can you test the post endpoint and create a new user for me? And so we're just going to ask it to do it for us because it's just quicker and easier, and it's going to use curl to test our application from the outside, and see if it can fix its curl command, which it did successfully. And then you can see it's going, I'm going to get it back, and I can see it back, and we can go to our hosted app here, and we can go to users, and you can see I've just totally created a full JSON API with CRUD endpoints all through chat. And this example is, obviously quite small, but you can see how if you spend a bit more time with this, you can make a fully fledged application, get all the code. You can see your additional commit is in your repo. And that's the shell strategy.